Fast detachable container house installation video. Firstly, install the bottom frame. Use 14*35 mm large hexagonal bolts to connect and fix the 4 frame beams of the chassis with the corner pieces. Install 2 longitudinal purlins on the frame beams, which are made of 25 mm, thickness 1.2 mm. Install 9 horizontal purlins. The specifications are 80 mm, thickness 1.2 mm and 80 mm * 40 mm square tubes respectively, and fix them with M10*100 and M10*60 bolts. After the bottom frame is installed, install the frame column. Also use 14*35 mm large hexagonal bolts to fix the column with the corner pieces, and install the upper corner pieces at the same time. Then install the top frame beam with 4 top longitudinal purlins made of 80*40, 1.2 mm square tubes, in order to ensure the waterproof performance of the roof. A circle of silicone is laid around the frame beam. Then the gutter and 3 80*40, 1.2 mm square tubes as longitudinal top purlins can be installed to put 4 downpipes installed, so the frame structure is installed. The wall panels are installed according to the layout plan, including the steel doors and windows. The wall panels and frames rely on self-tapping nails to fix them. Behind is the installation of MGO flooring, which is fixed to the purlin with M4.2*50 screws. Three 28 mm, 1 mm thick ceiling purlins were fixed to the top longitudinal purlins, with 75 mm flathead self-tapping nails, and the ceiling panels were fixed to the purlins with 4.2 mm *16 ceiling screws. Installation of roof panel. First, lay a circle of butyl tape, a layer of moisture-proof membrane on the top, and then lay a layer of insulation cotton, on top of which you can install the roofing board. With M5*15 roofing board tapping nails will be fixed, in order to ensure the waterproof performance of the tapping nails in the place of the silicone once again. Interior decoration. Installation of electrical outlets in the line. Installation of the upper decorative line. Vertical decorative line. At the bottom of a ring of silicone thick, also install the bottom decorative line. A simple prefabricated house is installed.